Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about 10 fat-burning snacks that taste delicious. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Do you often feel hungry during the day? It is normal. To provide energy, you need to supply energy to your body during the day. There is nothing wrong with eating snacks if you have healthy and nutritious choices. Healthy snacks with the right amount of calories are also good for your health. In this video, we are going to talk about healthy and delicious snacks that you can enjoy. Some of them should be refrigerated or heated in the microwave. Still, you will also find simpler and more hassle-free examples on this list. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 10. Small sandwiches. A great sandwich that does not replace snacks, right? No, my dear friend. As a snack, it is better to go for small sandwiches that are full of vegetables. Their bread is made of whole grains, and they have thin slices of meat or chicken. Such a sandwich is rich in minerals and vitamins and has few calories, not even 200. In your sandwich with whole grain bread, you can use different options, layers of fruits, peanut butter, etc. Number 9. Apples and peanut butter. Apples and peanut butter are a great combination of fruits and nuts. The good thing about eating fruits and nuts is that they make you fuller and tastier. Apples contain large amounts of fiber and are used in various forms such as toast, tarts, jams, apple juice, etc. Combine apples with peanut butter or almonds. Do not add any sugar, as you do not really need sugar. The result is a great snack that you can enjoy at work and rest. Number 8. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a nourishing cheese low in fat and calories but high in protein and calcium. You can use cottage cheese with bread. Whole grain bread is an excellent option for snacks. A slice of toast with 2 tablespoons of low-fat cottage cheese has only 170 calories. Adding a little onion, lemon juice, or salsa sauce to this snack will also taste well. Number 7. Fresh fruits. Do you agree that sometimes simplicity is the best choice? Fresh fruits and nuts are healthy and hassle-free snacks that you can eat at work. A pear with 12 almonds has less than 200 calories and is rich in vitamins and minerals, fiber, and beneficial fats. You have various choices, apples with walnuts, bananas, and use different cheeses, fruits, and nuts to make your snack more delicious. Cheddar cheese with an apple or blue cheese with pear is a pleasant snack combination. Nuts can help heart health and reduce plaque in blood vessels by lowering bad cholesterol, LDL. Number 6. Veggie Dip. The dip is from the family of sauces. It is used to flavor chips, potatoes, etc. There are various delicious combinations of foods that you can substitute for mayonnaise. Instead of using chips and harmful substances, use vegetables such as carrots, celery, cucumbers, squash, radishes, and anything else you like and enjoy. Vegetables are rich in minerals, vitamins, and fiber while also low in calories. 2 tablespoons of dips do not have more than 10 calories. By combining dips and vegetables, you will burn about 220 calories overall. Make your own nutritious dips at home and take them to work with chopped vegetables as a snack. Number 5. Salad. A small bowl full of your favorite salad is also an excellent option to take to work as a snack. The salad will keep you full until dinner time arrives. Put lettuce, vegetables, dried fruits, nuts, etc. in packing containers and vinegar, sesame, or lemon juice in another container and take it to work. It is better not to pour the seasoning on the salad in advance so that the taste of the salad is not affected by being dipped in sauce or lemon juice. A small bowl full of salad contains minerals, vitamins, and fiber. Even if you are trying to lose weight, you should use lemon juice, low-calorie sauces, or garlic and lemon sauce, a combination of lemon and garlic juice, olive oil, pepper, and a few other things, instead of mayonnaise. Consuming both tablespoons of mayonnaise has about 200 calories. Number 4. Dried fruits. Breakfast cereals, granola, nuts, and dried fruits can be a great snack for work. If you do not have enough facilities in your workplace, such as refrigerators, combining the above materials will be very suitable. Of course, be aware that if you want to lose weight, pay attention to the number of ingredients in these compounds because they contain calories. To avoid getting too much fat and calories by consuming granola, be careful about the amount of granola you consume at each meal. Granola is not difficult to prepare. With oats, sunflower seeds, dried berries, walnuts, coconut oil, and honey, you can make it. Number 3. Vegetable chips. Cut different vegetables into chunks, cook and dry them. You have to cut the sweet potatoes, horseradish, carrots, squash, radishes, and vegetables like chips and oil them with a brush. Olive oil is a good option. Then put them in the oven at 110 degrees Celsius for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, you will have a healthy and delicious snack for work. Number 2. Celery snack. Celery, raisins, and peanut butter, the combination, as mentioned earlier, is a very nutritious snack. Celery stalks, raisins, and peanut butter contain healthy fats, proteins, fiber, and carbohydrates that burn slowly. So, by eating such a snack, you will put a lot of energy into your body during your work. Remember that most celery is made up of water and, as a result, is a highly low-calorie food. Number 1. Banana. Bananas are an ideal source of fuel. They're rich in glucose, a highly digestible sugar, which presents quick energy that makes it a great pre-workout snack. Their high potassium content prevents muscle cramping. Each medium banana includes about 36 grams of good carbs. Additionally, their low glycemic index means carbs are slowly released into your body, preventing sugar crashes and spurring the process of muscle recovery. The best way to do it is to throw into your oats, smoothies, and fruit salads. Alternatively, smear it with nut butter for a filling snack. High-protein foods are essential for boosting your overall health, but carbohydrates and fats are also energy sources. So, use all these food groups, but in moderation. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.